how to use the part design bench. I'm going to show you how to do it by using the sketch workbench. This is only a basic tutorial. So firstly, we're going to click start and we're going to go down here to click part design. Once we've clicked part design, it will load. Now what we're going to do, we're going to ignore all these buttons for now. We're going to click this one with the circle and the square. We're going to click XY plane. And now that we have an XY plane, we're just going to use a rectangle. So firstly, the rectangle, there are 3 different types of rectangles here. We have the centered rectangle, which, well, you can draw it out around the center like this. You can, it's like it has perfect symmetry basically. It has perfect symmetry. Then we have the point triangle, the point rectangle, where like it's just like one point is staying the same and the rest is not. Then we have a rounded rectangle, which works the same way as the rectangle. Okay, I'm trying to re-click back that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go rectangle. We're just going to draw something like that. And we're going to draw a center circle on here. So that's it for today's video. Oh, not yet. It's not yet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hit extrude. So if you didn't see that, it's this button with the sketch turning into a 3D model. Now that we have that, we can just change how high it can go and how low it can go. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. Bye.